Hey friends, let's discuss words and how to stop being so terrible at learning them today. Most teachers say you should read books, but they never tell you how to stay awake while doing it. Learning words in context is the key, but watching cat videos is way more fun for your brain. Common sense says you should study, but common action usually means sleeping on the couch. If you are already reading every day, then you should probably leave this video right now. For the rest of you lazy people, I will share 2 secrets to boost your skills very quickly. First, we must talk about intuition, which is that weird feeling when a sentence sounds right. You do not need a thick grammar book, because your brain can just feel the rhythm of English. Some students try to memorize long lists, but that is like eating dry flour instead of cake. Knowing a definition is not enough, because you need to know how the word actually behaves. When you read stories and listen to songs, you learn how to use words without even thinking. This makes you an independent master, and you will never have to pay a boring tutor again. Second, we should talk about brain power, because your mind is a muscle that needs a workout. Listening to fast speakers is like a race, and it forces your neurons to fire much faster. Reading a complex mystery novel is great, and it helps you remember tiny details for years. Your brain gets stronger with every page, and your intelligence will grow like a green tree. You might ask why you need more power, and the answer is that speaking is a heavy task. Talking to a stranger is very stressful, and a weak brain will just freeze up in the moment. You need fast processing to be fluent, and regular input is the fuel for your verbal engine. Even if you do not live in London, you can create a little English world in your bedroom. I have never lived abroad myself, and yet I can speak to you with total confidence today. Trust the process and start today, because your future self will thank you for the effort. Think about how children learn to speak, and notice they never carry around a heavy dictionary. They just absorb the sounds around them, and they start to mimic the words they hear every day. You should try to be like a smart baby, and let the language wash over you like a warm shower. Do not worry about making small mistakes, because even native speakers are often quite messy. If you watch a movie with English subtitles, you are training your eyes and ears at once. This is much better than a boring classroom, and it keeps your motivation levels very high. Imagine being able to crack a funny joke and having everyone laugh at your clever punchline. That is the true power of natural learning, and it feels much better than passing a test. Your subconscious mind is very powerful, and it does the hard work while you enjoy a story. Most people give up after only 1 week, but you are different because you have a clear goal. Stop counting how many words you know, and start counting how many hours you spend listening. Quantity will eventually turn into quality, and you will wake up feeling like a local person. Why would anyone choose to suffer in silence when the world of English is so bright and fun? Grab a coffee and find a good podcast, and let the voices guide you toward your big success. Your ears are the doorway to your mouth, and what goes in will eventually come out smoothly. Learning is not a sprint but a long hike, and the view from the top is absolutely beautiful. Do not let your fear of grammar stop you, and just focus on the message you want to share. Words are just tools to build connections, and the more tools you have, the better you build. You can watch this video many times over, and each time you will find a new piece of wisdom. Be patient with your beautiful gray brain, and give it the healthy food it really deserves. Movies and books are the best brain food, and they are much cheaper than a fancy university. I believe that you can reach your dreams, and I am here to cheer for you every single step. Now go out and find something to read, and stop scrolling through those silly social feeds. Success is waiting for those who take action, and you are already on the right path to glory. Keep your eyes on the prize and keep going, and soon the world will hear your unique voice. It does not matter where you started today, because only the direction of your travel matters. Every single minute of focused listening is like a gold coin in your personal knowledge bank. You will soon notice that your confidence grows, and you will speak with a very natural rhythm. Let the words become a part of your soul, and enjoy the amazing journey of learning a language. This is the end of my short little speech, and I hope you found it both helpful and entertaining. Goodbye for now, my fellow language lovers, and remember to keep your ears open for every sound. Do not forget to smile while you are practicing, and make this habit the best part of your day. See you in the next video very soon, and keep pushing yourself to become a better communicator. The road to fluency is open for everyone, and you have the keys to unlock every single door. Never stop dreaming of a better life, and use your new words to make a big impact on the world. You are much stronger than you think you are, and your potential is truly limitless and vast. Take a deep breath and begin your mission, and I will be waiting to hear about your progress. One day you will look back and laugh, and you will be amazed at how far you have actually come. Stay curious and stay hungry for knowledge, and let the beauty of English change your destiny. Finish your tea and start your new habit, and let the magic of words carry you away tonight. Everything you want is within your reach now, and all you have to do is listen and then read. Everything you want is within your reach now, and all you have to do is listen and then read. Everything you want is within your reach now, and all you have to do is listen and then read.